So we came to Burlington. This is actually a new Burlington that they just put here. So we're gonna just go see what they have. Now we're coming into HomeGoods to see what they have. Hey guys, so I just wanted to show you guys what I ended up picking up from Burlington and HomeGoods. I honestly didn't really buy much, but just want to show you guys. So as you can see here, did pick up this floral arrangement. I have these all throughout my house, and I just honestly love them because they look so real, and I love the touch of them and everything. They are so nice. And yeah, this is from their Real Touch collection, and they're so pretty. So yeah, I had to have another one because I actually want to decorate my patio, and I actually want this for my table that I have outside. So I did end up picking this up here. So yeah, I got those. They are so beautiful and pretty. And then we actually did end up going to the mall because my mom wanted to actually get some stuff. So from Bath and Body Works, I just ended up getting some wallflowers fragrances because I actually am running low on mine. Let me put that there. Oops. Yeah, so I'm running low on mine. So I did end up picking up 5 of these wallflowers. So this one here is my all-time favorite, and it's Champagne Toast. It smells so good. So I actually had to pick up 5 of these. And I'm just going to be putting them throughout the house and stuff like that. And then this was, I believe, 5 for $23 or $24. That's usually what they have them at. So yeah, I got 5 of these here. And so for Burlington, I ended up picking my baby an outfit. So I ended up getting him this Adidas outfit. It's so cute, and it's black and white, and I just really fell in love with it as soon as I saw it. And it was such a good deal for how much I got it for. Let me show you guys. So I ended up paying $19.99 for it, but regular price is $48. So I thought that was such a good deal, and I just really love it, and how it's black and white, and it has, you know, like the pants and stuff, and then they have the black pants and the white, and I just thought it was super cute. Although it is summer, but you know, sometimes it is cold over here where I live, so he can definitely get some use out of this. And then I did end up picking a size 4T because this is the size that he is currently wearing. He's just growing way too fast, so I had to make sure and get a bigger size than what he usually wears. That way it will also last him, you know, a few months or so. But yeah, got this one from Burlington. So the last thing I got from Burlington was for myself, and it's also from Adidas. So I ended up picking up this black Adidas shirt for myself, and this one I only paid, let's see if it focuses. So I only paid $9.99 for it. I thought that was such a good deal for, you know, this Adidas shirt. And then it has, you know, the label and stuff. But yeah, I thought this was such a good deal. So yeah, I ended up picking this one up. And yeah, you can find some really good things at Burlington. So if you have one where you live, definitely check them out because they do have a lot of great things and for great prices. So yeah, that's pretty much all I got, guys. I just wanted to show you guys what I ended up picking up today, and I can't wait for my baby to actually use this one and see how cute he looks and stuff. So I will show you guys then when I do end up putting it on him. But yeah guys, I will see you guys in my next video. I hope you all did enjoy this shop with me. If you did, please make sure to subscribe. I do like to do these videos often. So if you did enjoy this shop with me, please don't forget to go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe.